Okay, quick video about this analysis, this first trade of the day. So right now it's 9:42. The 15-minute candle was right here, and it looks like we did move strongly above that candle. So I'm in this trade right now. The reason for this trade was it might get stopped out here because we're in a liquidity run now, unless we get a strong rejection here. But if we do reject here, I'm going to look here for a short. So let me put my alert here. But the reason for this trade was I saw over here large buying volume, a lot of effort, which means a lot of effort was short result, so a small candle, and then I saw another red candle, which is a falling star, showing that buyers are entering because there's a larger red candle, bigger than the green candle, and the volume is lower, right? So it took them more effort to bring, it took them less effort to bring the market down, right? They put in a lot of effort to bring to buy, and they got little to no result. It took them a little to no effort to bring this price down, and we still shot back down. So this could either be a liquidity sweep or a liquidity run. On the 1 minute, it seems like a run, so we can't just bounce off the support, take this out, and then we see how this plays out. But I'm just watching, and also we're at a level of resistance right now. Right? We're over this 1 hour fair value gap that I want it to be filled out, right? There's two fair value gaps here. Actually, there's one here. There's one here. We're trying to see what happens here. Even on my Fibonacci retracement tool, which was where. Oh, we are in the gold zone, but this is to go up. So we are in a strong uptrend. So I now thinking that we're in a strong uptrend. This is probably not the best short, but I saw my signal, so I don't really want to think. I just want to react, right? I don't really want to think. We are in a strong uptrend. If I do get stopped out here, I most likely will still look here for the rejection, or I will look um here for a rebuy. Now thinking about it, I don't know if I should keep looking for shorts here. I really should buy the dip here, right? Let me see what my volume is saying. So here I got the dip. So this is definitely showing a strong uptrend, right? Right here I got the dip in the volume moving average, showing that this could be got it right here and then right here. So this is showing this is a high, this is a high. We're making higher highs, so we can still be in an uptrend. I want this. I want to see what happens if we come back down and then we get another dip, showing that we could possibly make a new low somewhere. But I don't see that right now. Even on the 15-minute chart, I don't like looking at this on the 15-minute because it just doesn't make sense, right? It's too choppy. But there's a lot of resistance here. I'm gonna try for the short here. I got my signal here. I gotta understand that we're still in that Tokyo consolidation session, so I could just be price could just shoot up and look for an area of liquidity, which could be here. It can be at the high, even though it's a long way to go. But we could be reaching for an area of liquidity. Now, the next area of liquidity is up here, right? That's the next gap that's up here. So we could be looking there. I have my alert there. I'm just gonna wait. But yeah, that's the reasoning for my trade. My areas of interest are still up here, right? Because there is, well, I have two areas of interest. I have here this value gap and the top of this range because there is strong support and resistance here. So we could just move up, 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 and then I will see what happens here. I might skip the play here and see what happens here. And then if we start to move up and it gets stopped out, but if we do reject here, I want to see what happens at this level because there is another support and resistance zone here that likes to be retested. And plus, even on the 1 minute, the smaller time frame, this was the start of the day, 6. It was jumping off of this support and resistance line right here, right? Right, this blue line. I'm gonna make it bigger. This blue line, this is really a support and resistance line as well. So I want to see if price can actually come back down, retest this, and then we start to move back up higher and try to retest something. But now looking at it, I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to doubt myself. In my head, I don't want to doubt myself because I understand what the price is doing, what volume is showing. We're in resistance, but we are trading above that orb, that 15-minute orb. So it's really hard to say what price is going to do right now. So I guess I'll just wait for this trade, and then if we get rejected, my next video will show that it got rejected, or if it hit, and I'll test my levels. So let's see.